Hey friends, this is Mohammad Bajid and today I share with you a classic, simple, easy to make black forest cake. So let's get started. First, for the cake base, in a bowl 3 pieces egg or half cup white sugar. Then add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and then very well mix. Now add 1/3 cup of oil and half cup room temperature liquid milk. Then again well mix sugar until dissolvable. Then I add and mix dry ingredients. For that, in a strainer, flour, baking powder, baking soda and cocoa powder. Then very well strain. Now very well mix together all ingredients and then look at this texture. My cake batter is completely ready. Now I put this batter into a 7-inch round shape mold. Now oil brush inside the mold and cut the baking paper according to size. Then put this cake batter into a mold. Then bake it 180 degrees Celsius 30 to 35 minutes. Now I make whipped cream. For that, 1 cup liquid whipped cream or 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Then very well beat or whisk. Now I add 1/4 cup cold condensed milk, but you can use icing sugar if you want. But condensed milk tastes more better than icing sugar. Now ready to make perfect and fluffy whipped cream. Then keep aside this and then take the cake out of the oven and cool this. Now cut this cake slice into several layers. Then look at this cake texture. Then place a cake slice on top of cake stand and sugar syrup brush. Then I will layer with whipped cream. Then I will layer with cherry filling, but you can use any filling as per your choice. Now it's ready to our delicious cake and I love this.